guys. So today we are going to talk about Olympus camera. So this is the camera, Olympus camera, as you can see on the screen. So we are going to talk about all the features that you can see on Olympus. It's a very cool camera, as you can see. This is an old camera of Olympus, you can see here. You can see the camera. I'm just showing around the camera before we start seeing everything about Olympus camera. One thing I love about this Olympus camera is that it have a very cool zoom in and zoom out, and you can lock the camera by just doing this. So by doing this, by locking the zoom, the camera will be off, will be locked. So as you can see, so let us get started. Let me show you around. So this is the Olympus camera. So the first part I want you to check is this part. So I want you to see how the control. So to on the Olympus camera, you need to press this button here that is showing blue. So when it's off, you will see that it's off now. So if you want to on it, you just need to click here. So when you click that, you will see that it's on, and you will see what it's saying. What it's saying here. You can see that it's saying the lens is locked. Please extend the lens. So to extend the lens, to make sure that it's showing the video camera on this Olympus camera, so all you just need to do is to come to this section here. You see Olympus, you see this thing that says Olympus Digital here on this area. Make sure you click it up, push it up, push this button. You can see the button here. Push the Olympus button and you spread it out. So when you spread it out, normally the camera is on, but it's telling us that the lens is locked. So for us to open the lens is just what I said here. Unlock the lens. So to unlock it, you can see that the right unlock, so that you see that it's locked. Click, push it up, and push it up, and push it up. So when you push it up, just hold it like this, and when I open it, you will see that now the Olympus is not, it can video now, it can take pictures, it can do everything with this camera. And here you can set the auto mode, which is you can set how you want. If you want to do video, you can bring it to this session for the video session, and you can put it to auto mode, and you can put it to art, you can put it to SCN, you can put it to the camera mode, and you can put it to medium, and you can put it to S, and you can put it to A, or you can put it to P, which is pictures. So what you need to do here to start doing that, I will show you how you can make video with it later. So let me show you the features that this thing have. You can see you have the delete button, and you can still delete it on the screen. So it is a screen touch camera. So as you can see here at the side, left side here, it have the play button and it have the delete button. And here you can see here that they wrote something here. Not sure you can see that very well. Let me remove that. They wrote something here. They wrote Olympus Pens Lit EPL6, as you can see on the screen here. So let's say we want to start using this camera. I will show you that later, but let me show you around. You can see the features that it have. It have the zoom in and zoom out. So you can see this to zoom in. You can see this again to zoom and catch something. Let me see, you want to catch a particular thing, you can just use this one here that have the plus sign. That's for that. You can see the play button for the video. This is the play button. If you want to record a video, just click here, it will start playing the video. And you can see the rotation for the camera. This is to take pictures and to play. So let's say you want to take pictures, you just need to point it. Let me say I put this my GoPro camera there. So all I just need to do now is to take the picture of this GoPro camera. So all I just need to do, once I click on it, you see immediately it take it. You can see immediately it take it. If I touch the screen, it take it immediately, because it's a screen touch. That is how it works. So that is how you can take camera with it. You just point it in anything. If you press here, it don't work. If you press here to take the pictures, it didn't work, then you can click on the screen. Just face it on the product or anything that you want to take, and you can turn the camera to make sure you take what you are trying to snap completely, and you click on the screen again. You will see that it will take the picture immediately. So you can see other things that the features have. The lens is very long, and you can zoom with the lens. The lens can zoom a little bit. Why? Because the lens is very short, as you can see here. So it will not zoom very far. So depending on how you want to make your video, so it can't zoom very far. So you need to make sure you look for buy a big lens. Let me say lens that will be able to go far. If you watch my other video, you will see the Samsung that I talked about. I will leave it in the description below. If you like, go and check it out. You can see that camera and see that the camera will be good for you, for the Samsung. I think the lens of that camera is long. If you have that lens, which is almost 60s wide of that camera, so that's why I really love that. You can do a lot of things with that. So as you can see, the play button, so those are the sections where you can play around the camera here. You can see, okay, you can see that you can turn around. Let me say you want to do something on the camera, you can just turn around on the camera. You can see here, so you can turn around, do everything you want to do on this camera here. So you can turn around, go to menu. If you are doing anything on the camera here, so all you just need to do is to click on it here, click on this section here, and here you can select anything that you want to select. You can do a lot of things here. So that is how you can do things here. And another thing I love still on this camera is the USB port. The USB port is here. You have two types of USB that you can use to charge it. That is why I love it. And you have this thing here that you can use to attach it in a wooden or anything that you can use to attach this thing here. I don't know if many of you understand that. It's to attach things on it. And at the bottom you can see the model of the camera. You can see it at the bottom here, so you can see it on the screen. While here, this section here is to attach it in a sticker. Let me say you want to stand your camera to make a video, to attach it in a sticker, you can just do it here. While here is the section where you have to put your battery. Let me say you want to put your battery, just push it up and it will open. And once it opens, this is the battery, so you can press this button here to remove the battery, and you can close it back. So that is how you do for the battery. You can do that and press that. Once you press the battery, you bring this thing back, the battery section will close. So that is how you can do that. So other features that this camera have, you can see have a flashlight, a cool flashlight. The flashlight is very good, and the flashlight is very clean. It's not like horror flashlight like other camera used to have. The flashlight is good. So the pictures that I take on the pictures that I will take with this camera that I'm showing you now, with this Olympus, I will put the pictures, I will attach it as I'm talking right now. I'll attach the pictures so that you see the pictures that you take, see the resolution, and look the beauty of the picture if it's what you really want. You can order it. I think now it's very less expensive because it's an old camera, but is a camera that can be useful to you if you want it. So one thing I love about this Olympus is that they have one feature that many people don't have. You can see, you can draw it out. You see the way I draw it out? You can push this in back and you can draw it out again. You see the features. You can raise it up while you can bring it down. So it depends on how you want to use. You can take it up and bring it down. So you can do everything you want to do with this camera here. So that's why I love this Olympus. It's a cool and legit camera that you can use and start making your cool video without even stressing or over anything. So as you can see, there's one feature that I love too, is that you can take picture by just pressing the button here. You can see this button here. You can press this button just to zoom. So to zoom, you can press this button here. Just press the button, you will see. It's like to make it dark. To close the camera and make sure it's dark, just press that. You see everything will become dark, which is this thing here. This button here. You press that, everything will become dark. So when you leave it, it can start videoing again. It's just like a pause button that they add to the camera. You can see inside the screen that they put and the lens, you can see everything here. So I'm just showing you around the camera. So as you can see, those are everything you need to know about this camera. So as you can see on the screen right now. So that is what I need to show you on this camera. I hope that it is a good review that will make you to take a decision of buying Olympus camera. There's more Olympus camera, the greater Olympus camera than this. You can check them out. All of them will be in the description below, so you can go and check them out. So now we are going to video this GoPro camera. So I'm going to try to video it so that I will attach the video to the screen. So to video, all we just need to do, like I told you, just press this button here and you can video the Olympus camera. So but before we make the video, let me look for the model of the camera, and think I can attach the model on the title of the video. So they are saying Olympus camera image cropped. You can crop image with this camera. And other thing too they are saying here is that the camera is made in China. So why? Okay, it's made in China, designed by Olympus in Tokyo. It's designed by Olympus in Tokyo. So you can see that there is made in China. The model is the model number is EPL6. That is the model number. So that's everything you need to know. So now we are going to make our video. So to make the video, all we just need to do here is to go to the camera section and click on the video. So when you click on that, it will start recording immediately, but we are going to pause it because you see the video that is recording is kind of boring video. So we need to make sure that everything is in order. So we need to take this back to video. So now it's in video mode. So as you can see the camera clearly. You can see here. So all we just need to do here now, you can see that we can zoom it and we can see it very clearly. We can zoom it out too, you can see it very clearly. So all we just need to do now is to video this GoPro camera. You just need to click on play, and as you can see, it's recording the camera already. So now we are videoing the GoPro. So as you can see on the screen here, so we can video the GoPro, which is videoing right now, as you can see. So that is how you video the GoPro camera with Olympus. As you can see, the camera is very clear. That's why I love the Olympus camera. It's very, very clear. That's why I use it a lot. I use it a lot to do some of my video on other channels. So yeah, as you can see here, so you can zoom in, and zoom out. So you can zoom in, to the camera. You can zoom into the camera. You can zoom out, you can zoom in, you can zoom out, you can zoom in like this, zoom in. Make sure you catch exactly what you're trying to catch. Let us zoom this test. As you can see, zoom in the test, we catch the test, you can see that. So we can zoom out again. That's why I love the Olympus camera, as you can see. So you see that it catch everything that we are trying to do. So once we are through recording, all we just need to do is to come back here again and click on the session pause, and we click on that. So the video we just did will be saved on our draft. So all we just need to do is to click on play. Here you will find the video we just did. So to play it, we just need to click on this session, this button here. Click on the button and click on play movie. So as you can see, it's just recording everything that we said. So now we are videoing the GoPro. So as you can see on the screen here. So we can video the GoPro, which is videoing right now. So that is how you video the GoPro camera with Olympus. As you can see, the camera is very clear. That's why I love the Olympus camera. It's very, very clear. That's why I use it a lot. I use it a lot to do some of my video on other channels. So you see that we just make that video, and that is it. So that is how you can make the video with Olympus. So I suggest that some of you should go and get this camera if you don't have it. I think it's a good camera that most of you can use. So that is it, guys. We are going to end the video, and this is TechMaster. We are going to end the video right here. So don't forget to check out us on Instagram, and don't forget to check us out on Facebook. So we are out there, and contact us if you have any problem. We can do a review about a particular product you want to buy. So we are going to end it here, and we are going to say thank you if you watch it to this area, and we are going to say thank you because we are going to end the video here. So we'll say thank you again, and don't forget again subscribe if it help you out, and bye bye.